Hello, my name is Lin, the CEO of ANGER Machining. Our company was founded more than 40 years ago and taken over by Dongtai Group from Taiwan in 2015. Our main facility production is here in Linz, Austria, but we also have the service office in Germany and US. We are not only the high-speed machining provider, but also the technical provider to our main customer in OEM Tier 1 supplier in automotive industry.
Hello, my name is Markus Meyer. I'm the head of CNC department at ANGER Machining. The main advantages of the HSD spindles are their robust design, they are powerful and reliable, especially in MQL operations. The main applications in which we use HSD spindles are e-mobility components such as battery trays and profiles, as well as structural parts for the automotive industry like A-pillars, subframes and beams.
Hi, my name is Matthias Heingartner. I work in R&D at ANGER Machining. Here at ANGER we mostly work with aluminium. When we designed the new product line in 2017, we were looking for a very compact yet powerful spindle. With HSD we found the best solution. Within the last 8 years we installed more than 100 HSD spindles in our machines. The main product from HSD that we are using is the motor spindle ES505. We mainly consider HSD as an equipment supplier. Currently there is no potential for common machine development, but who knows what the future brings.
Hello, my name is Michael Brendel. I'm the Director of Business Development at ANGER Machining and therefore also responsible for sales and service in our departments. In general, we are very happy with the service of HSD, especially since the service capacities and competencies have been centralized in Italy. But in a fast and volatile world where we all live, there's always room for improvement. Concerning the partnership, we are definitely satisfied, especially with the German local team, which acts as an active and reliable link to the Italian headquarters. Since software plays an immense role in our business, all machines are equipped with Siemens control, up to the latest Sinomeric 1, we definitely look forward to the future development of HSD in terms of service and also in terms of digitalization and future technologies.